first let it start it, and then turn it right. Okay, look. So now it started, and then we need to let the gas out. Okay, so this is a switch to control the gas. Okay, now let's turn it down. Okay, look. And the fire is in the burner, and you can control it to let the fire become bigger. Okay, let's let it become stronger again. Okay, stronger, stronger. Okay, now did you hear the sound? It's very big. And let it become weaker, weaker, most weaker. Okay, so you can put your pan or your pot on the flame trays. Okay, it's very warm here, warm there, and this is the way how to use it.